morning, so we're gonna go and get the tractor from the job it's on. We're waiting on materials, so we're gonna make the most of the day. We're gonna take it to another job and just try and get a day done there. So it should be a pretty straightforward job. We just put timber posts in the ground. They've already been prepped for us, but all we're gonna do is come through and put them in the ground. So it should be a good day. What do we got here? That's a really good part. Well, just forgot the tractor key. So, on the way back home, get the key, get back into it. Alright, we're finally on site. It's only 10:30. Started. What time did we start? 7:30? 7:30. Forgot the key, then couldn't find the key. Then we found the key, went and got the tractor, and now we're here.
We left out like 3 hours of our day.
So yeah, we'll get the tractor unloaded and get into it.
Take you so baby left, then I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, then I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, then I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left. And I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left. And I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left. And I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show.
So we'll just take you through the process of putting the strainer post in with our driver. First of all, we got the post chained up at the front, and then we come through, drill the hole with the auger, put the post in the ground, and then drive it in. So we'll take you through that process.
Take you so baby left, then I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, then I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, then I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left. And I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left. And I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show.
Righty, after a bit of a shitty start, we ended up getting a bit of work done, so it wasn't too bad. Just getting rained out now, so it's time to go home. Alright, thanks for watching.